On your right is the 100th ship to be designed and commissioned by the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau, Indian naval ship Udaygiri, commanded by Captain Vikas Sood. Today, she proudly flies the flag of Rear Admiral Vivek Daya, Nausena Medal, the flag officer commanding Western Fleet.
On your left is United Arab Emirates naval ship Al Emirat, a modern Govind class guided missile corvette. She is commanded by Staff Lieutenant Colonel Jasib Mohammed Al Harmoudi. She was commissioned in 2025, enhancing the UAE's offshore defense, escort, and maritime security capabilities.
Next, on your right, with pennant number Delta 60, is Indian naval ship Mysore, commanded by Captain C. Sairam. She is the flagship of Rear Admiral Alok Anand, Yuddha Seva Medal, the flag officer commanding Eastern Fleet and the officer in tactical command of this review.
इस जहाज का आदर्श वाक्य है ना बिभेति कदाचन, अर्थात कभी भयभीत ना होने वाला.
And now to your left, we see Kapaldi Raja Shri Indra Shakti. It is a multi-role support ship of the Royal Malaysian Navy, commanded by Captain Anandan Tharmalingam.
देवी और सज्जनों, अगर आप गौर करेंगे तो इस जहाज का नाम इंद्र शक्ति भारत एवं पूर्व एशियाई देशों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों को दर्शाता है.
She serves with the 31st Multi-Purpose Command and Support Ship Squadron from Lumut Naval Base in Perak. She's often described as a mothership for smaller combatants and a quiet workhorse of the fleet.
Up next, towards your right, with pennant number Delta 62, is the Indian naval ship Mumbai. She is commanded by Captain Shantanu Sharma. She is a multi-purpose command and control platform capable of operating in a multi-threat environment.
मुंबई का वॉर क्राई है वीर बहादुर निर्भय मुंबई मुंबई.
Next up, on your left-hand side, is South African ship Amatola, the lead Valor class frigate of the South African Navy. SAS Amatola is commanded by Captain Dieter Jones. She has a helicopter deck and is optimized for multi-role tasks including escort, sea control, and anti-piracy operations in the southern African maritime approaches.
दक्षिणी गोलार्ध से दक्षिण अफ्रीका से आया हुआ यह युद्धपोत हिंद महासागर के देशों के बीच मित्रता का प्रमाण है.
Captain Dieter Jones is one of the few women officers to be in command of a warship in the world today. On your right, the next vessel is Indian Coast Guard ship Samudra Pratap, a pollution control vessel commanded by DIG Ashok Kumar Bhama. She is flying the flag of Director General Parmesh Shivamani, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, President's Tatrakshak Medal, Tadrakshak Medal, the Director General of the Indian Coast Guard.
On your left-hand side is Bangladesh naval ship Samudra Avijjon. She's commanded by Captain Muhammad Mushfiqur Rahman, a Hamilton-class high-endurance ship that joined the Bangladesh Navy in March 2016. She has significantly enhanced Bangladesh's blue water capabilities.
बंगाल की खाड़ी में तैनात यह जहाज केवल एक युद्धपोत ही नहीं, बल्कि दो राष्ट्रों की गहरी दोस्ती और भरोसे की पहचान है।
The next ship on your right is Indian naval ship Rana, pennant number Delta 52. The oldest destroyer of the Indian Navy is commanded by Captain K.P. Srishan. Designed for multi-dimensional warfare, Rana is equipped to conduct operations in all three domains, providing potent offensive and defensive capability.
राणा का ध्येय वाक्य है, बढ़ते जाना राणा राणा।
Coming up next on your left is Russian Federation naval ship Marshal Shapushnikov of the Russian Navy, commanded by Captain First Rank Merkulov Sergei Viktorovich. She's a modernized Project 1155 Udaloy-class large anti-submarine ship of the Russian Pacific Fleet, now reclassified as a multi-role frigate.
यह युद्धपोत भारतीय नौसेना और रूसी नौसेना के वर्षों से स्थापित घनिष्ठ संबंधों को दर्शाता है।
With pennant number Alpha 57 is Indian naval ship Shakti on your right. She is commanded by Captain Praveen Kumar Sinha.
अपने नाम की भांति यह भव्य जहाज वाकई पूर्वी बेड़े को असीम शक्ति प्रदान करता है।
With pennant number Alpha 58, INS Jyoti is now coming up on your right. She is commanded by Captain Shobit Agarwal. She is the largest tanker of the Indian Navy. She facilitates operational and logistical sustenance of naval ships at sea, thereby increasing the Navy's reach and endurance.
यह जहाज की कार्गो ले जाने की क्षमता 30,000 टन से ज्यादा है और यह एक साथ 3 जहाजों को ईंधन, एवकेट और ताजा पानी की आपूर्ति करता है। आईएनएस ज्योति को पूर्वी बेड़े के मोती के नाम से भी पुकारा जाता है।
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the 6 columns of anchored ships that have been reviewed by the President of India. But the action is far from over.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति द्वारा निरीक्षित एंकर डाले गए जहाजों के 6ठे कॉलम के अंत तक। लेकिन रोमांच अभी समाप्त होने से बहुत दूर है।
In the dead of the night, they are invisible. In the heat of battle, they are lethal. These are the Special Operation Raider boats of the Marcos, the Indian Navy's silent edge in maritime warfare.
रात के सन्नाटे में ये अदृश्य होते हैं, युद्ध की तपिश में ये घातक बन जाते हैं। ये हैं भारतीय नौसेना की स्पेशल ऑपरेशन रेडर्स, मार्कोस की शक्ति जो समुद्री युद्ध में भारतीय नौसेना की धार है।
Watch on your port side as the Marine Commandos shot pierce the waves with their Special Operation Raiders. These high-speed craft are used by Naval Special Forces for insertion and extraction during their operations.
देवियों और सज्जनों, अपने बाईं ओर ध्यान दीजिए, जहां आप मरीन कमांडोज, जिन्हें संक्षेप में मार्कोस कहा जाता है, जिन्हें आप स्पेशल ऑपरेशन रेडर्स के साथ लहरों को चीरता हुआ देख सकते हैं। ये उच्च गति नौकाएं मार्कोस द्वारा ऑपरेशंस के दौरान प्रवेश और निकासी के लिए उपयोग की जाती हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the roar of naval power. The MiG-29K will shortly showcase her agility, speed, and combat prowess. Look ahead, ladies and gentlemen, as the MiG-29K streaks across the horizon. Ladies and gentlemen, the sight of the MiG and the Special Operations Raiders in one frame clearly depict the multi-dimensional capability of the Indian Navy. A carrier-borne 4++ generation fighter, the MiG-29K is equally lethal in air-to-air combat and precision strike missions. Flown by Lieutenant Commander Kashyap, you are now witnessing its mastery in aerial combat maneuvering.
देवियों और सज्जनों, गरजते आसमानों में जब MiG-29 के आते हैं, दुश्मन के हौसले झुक जाते हैं। देखिए किस गति से ब्लैक पैंथर्स गुजर रहे हैं। समुद्र में उड़ान, आसमान पर अधिकार। MiG-29 के शानदार।
And there, we have just witnessed the MiGs demonstrate raw thrust and acceleration, a true guardian of the fleet.